Would you like to build your own e-commerce application to make money selling online stores? You can do it with our free course on how to build a multi-tenant e-commerce platform with WildCloud. We've crafted a course packed with 7 lessons that will guide you step by step to learn how to leverage multi-tenant WordPress and WildCloud to empower your clients to create and manage their online stores. You'll learn how to build the necessary WildCloud applications, how to build a global front-end dashboard to allow your users to manage their stores without having to use the normal WordPress dashboard, and even how to design pre-built websites and automate subscription sales. This course is for you whether you want to generate recurring revenue, gain experience as a web developer, or add web apps to your portfolio. And with no-code tools, this course is accessible to everyone with basic WordPress knowledge. Sign up for our course now and start your journey towards mastering the art of multi-tenant e-commerce platforms. Welcome to Lesson 6 of our free course on how to create a multi-tenant e-commerce platform using WildCloud. In this lesson, we are going to set up the Storefront Site, which is the site where you will list the features of your platform, display your pricing details, have a contact form, publish blog posts, and where clients will purchase a subscription plan to create their stores on your multi-tenant e-commerce platform. To open your Storefront site, you need to start by opening the Storefront application. As you can see, the Storefront site was created automatically when we created the Storefront application in the first lesson of this course. You can view the site by clicking on the URL, but that's not what we need for now. If you want to add a custom domain for this site, just follow the instructions in the Domains tab. To log into the Storefront site, just click on the Login button, which will take you to the WordPress admin dashboard. Now you can start configuring your site as you want. You can create all the site's pages such as pricing, contact, blog, etc. Here we will only show you the process to create subscription products and configure the payment system so that people buy a subscription and automatically create an online store on your platform. The first thing we will do is change the site title because WildCloud adds a generic name by default. Go to the general settings of the site and change the site title. You can also remove or edit the tagline if you want. Once you're done, save the changes. Now let's see how to select the customer role that our users will be assigned when they purchase a membership plan and create a site on our multi-tenant e-commerce platform. To select the user role that will automatically be assigned to users when they create a new site through a subscription product in our platform, we need to use the WAS Host plugin, which is already installed and active on your Storefront site by default. Let's go to the WPCS settings. In Lesson 4 of the course, we selected the Shop Manager role as the role that would use the front-end dashboard. We did so because in this example our users will be able to create and manage their products, payment methods, sales reports, discount coupons, and everything that has to do with managing a basic WooCommerce store. But if you selected a different user role such as administrator, you should keep in mind that the most appropriate thing to do is to select that user role as the customer role, since that means that the users will have the necessary permissions to manage their sites using the front-end dashboard that you created in Lesson 4. This also applies if you created a custom user role or edited an existing user role with the User Role Editor plugin. You just need to add the user role in the Customer User Role field. As I already said, we'll enter the Shop Manager role. Once done, save the changes. Let's see now how to create a WooCommerce subscription product. WildCloud allows you to sell subscriptions to your platform using the WooCommerce plugin and the Subscriptions for WooCommerce plugin. As you will notice, these plugins are already installed on your Storefront site. First, let's set up the Subscriptions for WooCommerce plugin. To do this, go to Subscriptions for WooCommerce under WP Swings. Once there, complete the steps to set up the plugin. In this example, we will enable the PayPal Standard Gateway because we'll use it to test our platform. Now it's time to configure the payment gateways that will be available for clients to pay for their subscriptions on our platform. To do this, let's go to the WooCommerce Payment Gateway settings. Once there, you can start configuring your payment gateways. For this example, we will use the PayPal Standard Gateway with the PayPal Sandbox setting enabled. You can do the same for testing purposes, or you can set up your real payment gateways. After setting up the payment gateways, you'll be ready to start creating a subscription product, which is like the membership or subscription plan that you will sell to your clients in order for them to be able to create and manage an online store on your platform. Let's start by adding a new WooCommerce product. Besides adding the product title, descriptions, featured image, etc., make sure to tick the subscription checkbox, as well as the WPCS product checkbox. Now let's move to the WPCS tab in Product Data and select the tenant role you want to make available with this subscription product. We will select the tenant role we created in Lesson 3 of this course. As you can see, the Storefront site automatically detects the roles added to the production version of the application that is connected to it. If you don't see any roles here, you can click on Refresh Roles. Now let's select the Tenant Snapshots group. Here you can select the group name to which you added the tenant snapshot when you created it in the previous lesson of this course. Next, let's move to the Subscription Settings tab and select the subscription details such as subscription per interval, subscription expiry interval, initial sign-up fee, and free trial interval. Finally, you can enter the subscription price. Once you're done selecting everything you need, publish the subscription product. And with this, your e-commerce platform should be working fine. Any visitor that opens this product will be able to purchase it. They will be asked to enter their site information in the checkout form, and their store will be created automatically after their purchase. Remember that this is a regular WooCommerce store, so you can configure WooCommerce as needed. In the next lesson, we will test the platform